The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on the UI within our app. First of all, I want to break it into two sections. I want to have the left-hand side, which is going to be a section where we can design and create our first chatbot. We're going to put in things like where we can name the chatbot, we can put in a greeting message, we can also pick and change the colors of this chat. On the right-hand side is basically going to be a chatbot preview where we can see those changes making or taking effect. In the second screenshot that I've given you, you can see the design of a interface, and this is going to be on the right-hand side column. And then we're going to tag the components folder that we want it to go into. We probably would want to go into a little bit more detail explaining how we want to go ahead and make the changes and what we want it to actually look like. So it's now going ahead and writing all of the different components for us. But you can see it's done a fairly good job of that first try, and it's got the greeting message. So let's just type in test, and you can see it's changed the greeting message here. Okay, so we can actually change the background color of the whole thing, which is fine. The primary color doesn't seem to be changing. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start working on individual components, only on the @basic config and color config. So we're going to tell it to mimic the design here for the color config. So we're going to just take this screenshot, we're going to paste it in here. And this is basically the process that I go through when I'm building UI for my applications. The more description that you can give it, the better it will be. So you can see here, it's created a slightly better design. If you want to build your own version of an app and you don't know where to get started, come along to my live class. The link is in my bio, and I'm going to show you how to build your first app without writing a single line of code.